All right. Now I hope. Let's see here. We got that lined up there. Got that lined up there. The holes in the side. I think it's just sheer force. It's gotta get up that little side of the ramp there.
Before you break it, let me look, please. I just like take a look at it. I'll give it back.
All right, there it goes. Ta-da! Oh, the beeping stopped.
That's what I was gonna do when you let me look.
I'm just too gentle with things.
I looked at this and I go, you should let me do it.
So anyway, now we have a working driving car. That cost $35 from, it was in stock at AutoZone. That was the cheaper than eBay. I shop all my parts on eBay, so because sometimes it doesn't matter how long it takes. So there you go. Now you got a key in the ignition thing and knows that there's a key in there. Hopefully, it's seatbelt. The seatbelt and door open. All right, I want to make sure that was beeping. I don't even know that I'm going to bother to put this piece back onto this car. It's broken anyway, and I might have somebody vacuum this. I might not, because obviously it's a cheap car. But more importantly, it's out of my driveway and it's going back down onto the car lot. So thanks for tuning in, and check out all our cars for sale at trailersmt.com. That's car lot, or those trailers. How about orangemt.com? That has all our cars for sale. And come see us. Thanks for liking, subscribing, checking out our videos. Yeah. Say thanks. If it really helped you, you're welcome to send me some money. Jeff Halverson, a Hotmail. Thank you.